Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted source for valuable investment insights, stock recommendations, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we'll delve into the 7 top stocks to consider for long-term investment. So before we start, we kindly ask that you like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. Investing is challenging, and building a resilient stock portfolio demands discipline. Some, like Warren Buffett, accumulate cash in bullish markets, deploying it strategically during downturns. Another popular approach is dividend growth investing, focusing on companies with over 10 years of dividend growth, sustainable payouts, and strong growth prospects. Here are 7 stocks that align with this philosophy, offering a mix of resilience, growth potential, and income generation. Number 1. Enterprise Products Partners. Enterprise Products Partners LP emerges as a dominant force in the midstream industry, specializing in the transportation of vital energy commodities, such as oil, gas, refined products, and petrochemicals. EPD's extensive operations play a crucial role in facilitating the seamless flow of these resources through its vast and sophisticated pipeline network. At the heart of EPD's operations is its unparalleled pipeline infrastructure, serving as the lifeblood of energy transportation across North America. The strategic positioning of these pipelines underscores EPD's commitment to providing reliable and efficient solutions for transporting critical energy resources. Setting itself apart in the competitive landscape, EPD demonstrates substantial diversification in its broad portfolio of commodities. This diversification serves as a robust risk mitigation strategy, shielding the company from the inherent unpredictability of commodity prices and ensuring a stable revenue stream for long-term sustainability. Strategically positioning itself as a dependable income generator, EPD offers investors an attractive distribution yield exceeding 7.5%. Supported by robust cash flows, this reliable income stream appeals to investors seeking stability and returns in a volatile market. EPD's dependable income generation is rooted in robust cash flows, showcasing the company's ability to consistently generate revenue even in the face of market fluctuations. These stable cash flows not only support the attractive distribution yield, but also provide financial flexibility for reinvesting in infrastructure, ensuring the continued efficiency and reliability of its pipeline network. Highlighting its commitment to financial strength, EPD maintains a stellar credit rating, demonstrating solid financial health and creditworthiness. This rating is crucial for capital-intensive operations and expansion projects, instilling confidence in investors and stakeholders and reinforcing EPD as a reliable and trustworthy player in the midstream sector. Number 2. Brookfield Corporation. Brookfield Corporation, a Canadian financial powerhouse with a century-long legacy, excels in managing real assets like property, infrastructure, and renewable energy, boasting $850 billion in assets under management. Its success lies in a diverse portfolio, encompassing gas pipelines, toll roads, data centers, solar farms, hydroelectric dams, and iconic skyscrapers, enabling strategic opportunities across sectors and regions. Prioritizing innovation and sustainability, Brookfield invests in renewable energy projects, aligning with responsible investing and leading the global shift towards sustainable energy solutions. With a global presence across 5 continents, the company's diverse portfolio mitigates regional economic risks and taps into emerging markets. Despite its intricate structure, Brookfield maintains a moderate investment-grade credit rating, showcasing financial prudence and disciplined debt management. Investing in Brookfield offers exposure to a wide array of real assets, providing opportunities in various sectors and affirming its position as a key player in global asset management. Number 3. MicroStrategy. Founded in 1989, MicroStrategy, a pioneering business analytics and intelligence company, took a bold step in August 2020 by incorporating Bitcoin into its balance sheet. This unconventional move has set MicroStrategy apart in the corporate world, sparking discussions within both business and cryptocurrency communities. Unlike traditional treasury management, which often involves conventional investment instruments, MicroStrategy opted for Bitcoin, showcasing a forward-thinking approach and a willingness to explore alternative stores of value beyond fiat currencies. MicroStrategy's fortunes have become closely tied to the performance of Bitcoin, known for its price volatility. Despite the risks, the company has outperformed major stock indices and the cryptocurrency itself, fueling discussions about Bitcoin's viability as a corporate treasury asset. The mixed sentiments surrounding MicroStrategy's investment choice stem from the polarizing nature of Bitcoin. While some applaud the company's success in navigating the cryptocurrency market, others caution against its reliance on the uncertain future of Bitcoin as an asset class. In essence, MicroStrategy MicroStrategy's strategy becomes a litmus test for investors, appealing to those bullish on Bitcoin's transformative potential, while issuing a warning to those less enthusiastic about the cryptocurrency. As the business landscape evolves, MicroStrategy's venture into Bitcoin serves as a case study for corporate innovation and risk-taking. The company's ability to navigate the challenges of the cryptocurrency market positions it as a noteworthy player at the intersection of traditional finance and the digital asset revolution, leaving an indelible mark on the corporate world. Number 4. HDFC Bank. The largest private bank in India, HDFC Bank, is one of the opportunities to profit from the rapidly expanding Indian market. With thousands of branches and a robust online business, HDFC Bank is in a strong position to capitalize on India's consistently high rates of gross domestic product growth. Nevertheless, investors ought to be aware of its valuation, as it has a blended price-to-earnings ratio that is higher than 22. Due to the bank's reliance on oil imports, currency fluctuations also have an impact on its performance. Number 5. Canadian Natural Resources. Canadian Natural Resources, a key player in the cyclical energy sector, adeptly manages the industry's inherent cycles of scarcity and oversupply. Operating in a dynamic environment where demand and supply fluctuate, the company stands out due to strategic initiatives and unique strengths. One distinctive strength is its extensive reserves relative to annual production, showcasing a prudent resource management approach. These reserves act as a buffer, allowing the company to navigate market fluctuations and optimize production based on market conditions. Recognizing the volatility in commodity prices, Canadian Natural Resources prioritizes financial fortification. Emphasizing a robust balance sheet provides financial stability, enabling resilience during economic uncertainty. Maintaining a BBB- credit rating underscores the company's commitment to a sound financial profile, instilling confidence and facilitating access to capital on favorable terms. This credit rating isn't just a financial metric, it's a strategic move to fortify against energy sector volatility. It positions the company to secure financing, supporting operations, expansion initiatives, and strategic endeavors. Number 6. CVS Health. CVS Health, a healthcare powerhouse, operates as a versatile entity encompassing a retail pharmacy chain, health insurance provider, and pharmacy benefits manager, playing a vital role in an ever-evolving industry. The retail pharmacy chain is central to CVS Health's operations, providing a diverse range of pharmaceuticals and healthcare services. This retail presence enables direct consumer engagement, offering essential medications and wellness products, creating a holistic healthcare provider. As a health insurance provider, CVS Health facilitates access to healthcare services, covering medical expenses, prescriptions, and more, aligning with its goal of creating a seamless healthcare experience. Functioning as a pharmacy benefits manager, CVS Health ensures cost-effective medication access, emphasizing affordability and accessibility in modern healthcare. Strategic acquisitions have been pivotal for CVS Health, expanding capabilities and strengthening its position in the competitive healthcare landscape. The acquisition of Aetna marked a significant milestone, enhancing CVS Health's role in shaping the future of healthcare delivery. Maintaining a BBB credit rating showcases CVS Health's commitment to a strong financial profile, instilling confidence and providing financial flexibility for growth initiatives. Number 7. Intercontinental Exchange. Intercontinental Exchange holds a commanding position in the global financial landscape, with ownership of prominent exchanges and clearinghouses worldwide, notably the New York Stock Exchange. The historical dominance of exchanges is rooted in economic moats, providing a competitive advantage and barriers to entry. However, the emergence of digital tokenization poses challenges to ICE's leadership position. The New York Stock Exchange, a symbol of global financial markets under ICE, reflects the company's strategic vision and execution. The rise of digital tokenization, driven by blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, challenges traditional exchange models, potentially reshaping the role of intermediaries like clearinghouses. Recognizing the evolving landscape, ICE prioritizes staying at the forefront of technological innovation. With a commendable A- credit rating, the company invests in modernizing back-end systems to ensure efficiency, security, and relevance amid digital transformation. ICE's strategic approach involves aggressive growth and strategic acquisitions, diversifying offerings and capturing new market opportunities. This proactive stance positions ICE as a dynamic player in the ever-evolving financial ecosystem, adapting to emerging trends. A crucial aspect of ICE's management is reflected in its debt-to-cash flow ratio, a key financial metric indicating its ability to manage debt obligations while generating cash. Maintaining a reasonable ratio underscores prudent financial management, allowing the pursuit of growth initiatives without compromising stability. These 7 stocks encompass a diverse range of companies, boasting proven track records, strong fundamentals, and the potential for sustained long-term growth. Whether investors prioritize income generation, capital appreciation, or a blend of both, these stocks present opportunities to construct resilient and rewarding portfolios for the next decade and beyond. A friendly reminder to always conduct thorough due diligence before investing your hard-earned capital in stocks or the market. Don't forget to express your support support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and innovative investment strategies aimed at building wealth. Thank you for tuning in, and may your investments flourish in the years ahead.